Alright everyone, so this is going to be a series called Bot League. How this will work, this is Season 1. There are going to be 2 regions, so for Season 1 there will be 4 teams per region. This is Group A, this is Group B. We'll get the other teams rendered in when we are ready for that, because I don't have it right now. How this is just going to be for the group stages. How the group stage will work is each of these teams are going to go against each other. Danger Rangers will be against Flying Octane start. Pointless players will go up against Team Talent start. Then Pointless players will go against Danger Rangers. Flying Octanes against Team Talon. Then Danger Rangers versus Team Talon. Pointless players versus Flying Octanes. Also, all of these games will be played with bots, and unique custom colors that I will make for each team. The top 2 from each group top 2 from every group in Region 1, top 2 from every group in Region 2 will move on to a major. The top 2 from each region placement in that will immediately get themselves a spot in the World Series, which will be both regions against each other for the World Championship. And when that happens, there will be another major, by the way, that will do more groups just like this. And then we'll have top 8. The bottom 8 from the bottom 4 placements, bottom 2 placements, not bottom 2 placements, 5 and 6 from each region, from each major, will make it into the wild card, and then the final remaining 16 teams that are not into the final will play a group stage. Top 8 teams will move on into the wild card, where they'll play the bottom 8 teams from the major regions. Top 8 then will go into RLCS finals, and then that will be a Swiss stage for our first 2 teams will be Swiss stage. Then top 7 to 9. Then we'll top 7, which will bring us to 9. And the remaining 7 players, the bottom team will immediately get eliminated. And then the remaining 6 teams will play for the final 3 spots for a double elimination. Top 8 teams that made it to the double elimination will go ahead and go into the upper bracket, and the bottom 4 will be in the lower bracket for double elimination. Then all best of 5s finals are best of 7. I have a 15-minute video length, so some of the series in the finals, some of the series in the RLCS final will actually end up being 2 or maybe even 3 parts, depending on if it gets to game 7. And then there will be an RLRS, or in our case, the Bot League Qualification League, where there will be 16 teams, 8 from each region, competing for the top 8 spots. And then they'll go into a league while the main series is an off-season. And then the top 2, 1 from each region, will go ahead and go up against whatever group. So Group A, and does the worst in Region 1, will go up against, there will be a league of Group A, and so on and so forth for Region 2. And then if they actually end up not being last, which they might end up being last, if they are not last, they will replace the last place team and be moved into that group. That's pretty much how the entire RLCS Bot League works. There will be a lot of teams. There will only be bots allowed to participate, and you will find all of the matches here on this channel. Alright, I will see you in the Botiverse. Or the Bot League, I don't know. I'm going to figure out a name for that, but I will see you then.